this group, the group that has emerged in Iraq and Syria is a new phenomenon. It's an entity that is preaching hate, violent, and we stand with the international community in opposing terrorism of all kinds. I'm not aware of the existence of this group and who is backing it, but our policy is clear. We are taking a very comprehensive, very resolute action against all types of terrorists. The military operation in North Waziristan has proceeded very successfully, and you must have seen the very clear pronouncement by Pakistani leadership that we will eradicate terrorism, all terrorism from Pakistan, irrespective of their origin or their affiliations.